IUGG is one of the oldest scientific organizations of the world. It's established 100 years ago, and we are very happy that we are today here in Montreal.
And we've been preparing for this for the last couple of years with an enormous amount of help from JPdL. So initially we've had a set of 2 years of local organising committee and scientific programming committee meetings. JPdL have been involved in that right from the word go.
Everything is based on professionalism and openness and friendliness, and these are the characteristics that we experienced through the process from the beginning to the end.
And with the help of the professional conference organizers, we could build this General Assembly in a very wonderful city of Montreal.
At the beginning, when we searching for a PCO, we had this experience of getting an open and clear proposal from JPdL as to what we are going to see and what we are going to incur, if you wish, during the conference and afterwards.
We've been with the IUGG now, I think, for 26 or 27 years. For this year, we were actually a bronze sponsor, so we participated within the preschool to the event. The logistics team was completely amazing from the get-go. I can't say enough good things in regards to preparation, help, and logistics.
And I'm one of the organizers of the German bid for the next IUGG in 2023. Every time I needed something, JPdL helped me out.
Certain things have to be planned well in advance, and that was always done very efficiently. Certain things beyond our control would come up at the last minute. And again, the team dealt with that with no fuss at all. Everything came together beautifully. I'm very happy with the way it came out.
And that was amazing because it kept everything cool, it kept everything focused from the participants, if you will, perspective. They say that this was an amazing event.